Good morning friends, myself Dr. Arun Kumar C. Pawar. Today I'll be talking about digital eye strain or computer vision syndrome. It is very common nowadays due to post-COVID crisis. Most of the people are doing work from home, even students are doing online classes, teachers are involved in more screen work, screen time has increased due to the more use of mobiles and laptops. So what is it? What is computer vision syndrome? It is actually a physical eye or body discomfort due to overuse of the screens. Generally, overuse is considered when use is more than 2 hours. So, according to a survey, Vision Watch survey, around 30% of the adults and more than 50% of the children, they are suffering from computer vision syndrome or digital eye strain nowadays. It has increased post-COVID crisis, no doubt about it, because of the overuse of the screens. So, what are the common symptoms? Most of the common symptoms are like redness, itching, watering, feeling of dryness as well as increased flickering, जिसे eye फड़कना भी बोलते हैं. Fatigue, even neck and back pain are associated with the eye strain symptoms or computer vision syndrome symptoms. Why screens they do cause the eye strain? Because screen they produce a kind of light, they are violet light or blue light. The blue light is ultraviolet, blue violet or turquoise violet. So, blue turquoise violet light is from 380 to 495 nanometers. It can also be caused by the poor room illumination also. Not only the screen emitting light, but poor illumination with screen emitting light, it adds on the effects of the screen. Increased glare, maybe by a window, by a tube light behind your screen or computer screen or laptop screen, that will lead to glare on the screen. Your improper posture, like not touching the feet, not touching your back, sitting in lying down position in odd postures, that is again going to increase your computer vision syndrome problems. Your viewing distance, your distance from the screen to the eye has to be a good distance. It should not be too close or too far. Both are not good. What are the long-term effects? Long-term effects would be eye strain plus there is loss of sleep and wake cycle. There is also related troubles in future like AMD as well as cataract. Those can be caused by the ultraviolet and other turquoise violet lights. Now, source of these blue lights are mostly screens and sun, but they are essential in day to maintain memory, sleep cycle, circadian rhythm, and most of the times we are using screens at night, that is actually disturbing our circadian rhythm. Even alertness is lost, decreased memory and mood swings are also seen with the use of at night use of the screens. So what should we do to prevent these problems? We should have a regular or routine eye checkup just to find out other eye related troubles like presbyopia, जिसे नज़दीक का चश्मा बोलते हैं अपन, या अदर रिफ्रैक्टिव एरर्स जिसे दूर का चश्मा या स्क्रीन वर्क पे लगने वाले छोटे छोटे नंबर्स भी हम आइडेंटिफाई कर सकते हैं. देन वी हैव टू इम्प्रूव द एम्बियंट लाइट. वी हैव टू मिनिमाइज ग्लेयर बाय क्लोजिंग विंडोज, बाय शटिंग द ट्यूब लाइट्स अराउंड. You can display upgrade or upgrade your displays like from CRT screens to LED or LCD screens. CRT screens have got a bad refresh rate, that is 75 Hz. And LED and other screens, they are better screens, liquid crystal screens or light emitting diode screens, they have got a 200 Hz of refresh rates. We can increase the resolution of the screen, we can increase the size of the display, that can help us in preventing the computer vision syndrome. We can adjust brightness with the surrounding. Too much brightness or too less brightness from surrounding is going to affect your eyes and leading to computer vision syndrome. We can use that screen light to twilight modes also. Nowadays, few modes are available which can be used to minimize the computer vision syndrome. We can increase our blink rate to 20 times. Naturally, we blink around 10 to 12 times. We can forcefully blink 5 to 6 times more. Then it can lead to a 20 times blink rate. We have to follow the rule of 20-20, that is minimally after 20 minutes, look 20 feet away at least for 20 seconds. You should take frequent coffee or tea breaks. Modify your workstation to minimize the height, distance as well as the illumination of the working stations. And the best way is not to overuse the screens. Thank you.